Hey, fellow traders, reviewing trades for November 14th. Today, the market had a red day. It was a choppy red day, as you see here. It went down, came up, went down, came up, went down. I did three trades today. Apple puts for 37 cent gain, 10 cent gain, $37. A Google breakdown that initially went almost to my 3 hour target, but then pulled back and ended the day up a little bit over $100 for 1 hour. Then I did an FNT breakdown on a 5 minute as well, and that one chopped around a lot. I got out at $57, and at the end of the day, I had a profit of $206. For my Apple put scalp, I did um, I shorted Apple over here and got out when it touched the 9 EMA. Apple had relative strength towards the market, went up, came down, went up again. When it came up here, it touched 21 EMA, and I thought that that might give me a larger pullback to the VWAP. However, the 9 EMA came, I got out, it only netted me 10 cents. The bad thing about this play was it wasn't multiple consecutive green bars and the extension wasn't that big, so even if it actually pulled back, the pullback wasn't sufficient to give me the 30 cents. Another problem was the ATR. The stock didn't move that much before I got in, and as it did, it could have moved even further up. A better entry would have been if it came back up to this topping tail right here. Then I shorted it. However, it had been choppy all day and wasn't really good for a put scalp. On Google today, it gapped down and it came here, rested and consolidated, and then it broke down. I got in over here a little bit early with a stop over here. The good thing about this trade was the higher time frame was in alignment, and Google looks like it wants to come back down all the way. Um, Also had room to come down. However, due to the fact that I have a 3 hour target, it was quite a big move to ask of this stock. Um, so another good thing was that it was weaker than the market. As you saw, the market was choppy, while this actually just came down and gave me a nice pattern. And if you um, and then you had this daily trend line that it got into, which was a cause of concern. What I The third trade was puts short below this breakdown over here. I put the stop right here, and it went off to a good start about 1 hour. Then it started chopping around, and at the end of the day, I had to get out for a small profit. Something negative about this trade is if you see on the 65 minute, it is multiple red bars down into all of these trend lines. So that was one concern for me. However, with the daily being up multiple green bars with extension from the moving average, I thought that this was a good trade. Like the last one, it was weaker than the market. It wasn't as choppy. It went down, and the higher time frame was also in alignment, being meaning that on the higher time frame it looks extended and needs a pullback all the way down, honestly. And because of the extension here and the fact that it might 3 hour meant it coming down all the way here, which is quite a big ask of this stock. I made this trade a yellow trade. Even though there was some concerns with the trade, I held my trading plan. I did not overtrade. I did not add or anything like that. So today there is no um, rules that was broken, and there will be no punishments or consequences for today. Those were my trades for today. Have a good day.